Helicopters manufacturers and airlines are creating new units or partnering with the eVTOLs, the so-called yellow cabs of the sky. eVTOLs stand for Electrical Vertical Takeoff and Landing. Based on what we saw at industry trade shows, most countries are planning to introduce these services as they are expected to impact significantly urban mobility. The models we saw at Verticon 2026 summarize the key pillars of this emerging transportation mode. Let's take a look at the trade show floor. This is the booth of Eve Air Mobility. They develop an all-electric 4-passenger single-pilot eVTOL on a global scale. Eve Air utilizes a certified-to-fly philosophy, meaning that the aircraft is designed from the ground up specifically to meet certification standards. The company began flying a full-scale engineering prototype in late 2024. As of March 2026, they had completed over 30 overflights, exceeding 106 minutes of flight time, and aim to complete hundreds of flights by the end of the year. They expect to enter into service in late 2027. And this is Vertical Aerospace. Vertical Aerospace is a British company based in Bristol and develops an all-electric piloted aircraft. It is designed for 4 passengers and luggage, with future potential to expand to 6 seats. Vertical does not operate the aircraft itself, but partner instead with established operators like American Airlines, Japan Airlines, and so on. What you see here is a prototype model. Currently, Vertical has a global order book of approximately 1,500 aircrafts distributed evenly across the Americas, Europe, and Asia. The company is aiming for certification in 2028, with plans to bring the aircraft to the US and to other markets in 2029. Because they are based in the UK, they follow the European rules and work closely with the UK Civil Aviation Authority. Their goal is to achieve a safety standard that allows for foreign validation globally. And this is Robinson Unmanned, a new unit of Robinson Helicopter Company, dedicated to the development and support of a full suite of remotely piloted and autonomous aircraft. What we saw at Verticon was the R44 air truck. This is not a eVTOL, but a VTOL, as it is powered by gas and not by a battery. It is produced to perform heavy lifting for cargo transport, resupply, and surveillance missions. The aircraft is modeled after the R44 helicopter, which, according to the company, is the world's most produced helicopter. In this unmanned aircraft, the traditional pilot and passengers seating, flight controls, and cockpit instrumentations are gone. This allows the aircraft to gain roughly 250 to 300 pounds of useful load capacity, and so the R44 air truck can now achieve a useful load capacity of over 1,000 pounds, significantly more than its counterparts carrying a crew. And this is the R66 turbine truck, designed to support defense logistics and operations in challenging environments. The aircraft autonomy is enabled by the Matrix system. Matrix is a sort of autopilot that is rapidly becoming the industry standard for autonomous aircrafts. The same platform was recently added to the Black Hawk military helicopter. The immediate advantage was that a regular soldier, not a trained aviator, was able to plan and execute real-world missions in military exercises. The Matrix platform is developed by another helicopter company, Sikorsky, which was also at the show. Sikorsky is owned by Lockheed Martin, and they have been working on eVTOLs for more than 10 years. At one point, Sikorsky decided not to be part of the Sky Taxi race, but to focus on hybrid and larger aircrafts for military and industrial applications. After seeing these new generation aircrafts, the natural question is, will eVTOLs replace the old-fashioned, noisy and gas-operated helicopters? The answer is no. Each aircraft is suitable for specific operations. Helicopters represent still the best solution for rescue missions and transportation of heavy loads, especially in challenging environments. eVTOLs instead will be most useful in urban environment for frequent transportation of people from point A to point B.